Hey guys, just wanted to give you a quick update on our house build. If you have any questions about the process, leave it in the comments below. But I wanted to give you a quick update to show you where we are with the process. So as you can see here, we're done painting the outside, the stucco is done, and the soffits are done as well. Here's the type of texture that they did on the stucco on the walls, and then this is on the trims. Over here we have, they draw a well, going to be a well pump over there. Then they ran some conduit and piping along here to come out here, and this is where the water system's going to sit over here. Outside here, they installed the septic tank, and then the drain field is right here on this side of the house. Also, all the doors are installed, primed, painted, caulked. For the trim, we came up with this nice 6-inch piece that was cut, and then this piece got turned and nailed to the side. So it gives you this nice lip, and very simple and looks nice. As you can see here, all the drywall is installed, textured, and painted. I did one coat for now. Now that the door casings are painted, I'm going to do a second coat. We also have shelving completed in all of the closets as well. Here's another closet. Another bedroom walk-in closet. All the shelving also done in the pantry. We're going to have a countertop cabinets right here in this corner. Here's the master. I left a specific space in here so that way I can install some drawers from IKEA. I'll show you that in the later video. Not much progress in the master bathroom. This shower is ready to be tiled, and the tub as well. Need to start doing that next. Here's a guest bathroom. I started tiling this wall. Nice herringbone pattern. This one's taking me quite some time to do. And this last bathroom is pretty much almost done with tile. Just have one wall left, and then I'll show you what that looks like later when it's finished. That's it. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. I'll be doing quick shorts updates with tips and things I'm doing myself versus things the contractor's doing versus products that I'm using. So if you like that kind of information, follow along, and I'll see you on the next one.